Alright, so there's been a lot of wiring since the last video. Let me take you through let me take you through all of the wiring and what we've done here. So the door lights, open the door, you start to get these Iron Man lights come on, the seat lights come on, and that's about it. So actually, there's the door switch right here. Put one up there. So you can see the lights turn on and off if I do that. But other than that, so let's close that door. So the speakers, they're a pretty cool part. So here there will be an iPad, but right now I just have my phone in there, and this is actually some YouTube copyright free music that we use here. So let's turn on the speakers. So to turn on the speakers, actually let me open the door light so you can see what's going on here. Stick this down here. So this is the F16, F18 grip. And if I press this pinky button down here, you can hear the speakers turn on. See them starting to flash. This one right beside me over here will connect to my phone in a second. Come on, baby. Anytime. There we go. So that one's connected. So now if I hit play, the sound is coming from the speaker, or these speakers beside my head. So now, on the grip, if I move the center button towards the passenger side, the music starts coming from there. So, but if there's nobody on that side, there's no sense turning those ones on, so you can just listen to the music here. And these things go quite loud. Probably too loud, but because you're so close to the speakers, how loud do you really need it, right? So that's it for that one. And again, to turn them off, put you back down here, just hold the button down. All the speakers are off. So next, let's do there's cool gauges. Check these out. So probably leave that door open. Let me turn on the key here. So we have got, that is boost pressure. That one's will be air-fuel ratio, so it's not hooked up yet. This is exhaust temperature gauge. This is tank pressure. This is bag pressure. So the airbags are actually connected to this switch here. So if I lift up on this one, the car raises up. And again, to lower it, pretty cool. So the next one is the horn. The horn's kind of a funny one. So you can get adjustable relays, right? And I thought, well, this is a two-stage trigger on this thing, so this would be kind of funny. So let's make the first one, the first click, run from the adjustable relay which goes to the horn. So if I pull the trigger here on the first click, God, that's annoying. And then the second click is a horn full on. So he's gonna hate that. But and then what else have we got hooked up on it? Oh, of course, this red button right here is the high beam flash. So if I turn on the lights, which is this switch right here, and I hit this button, I don't know if you can see that out there or not, but it's flashing the headlights. And then, yeah, speaking of headlights, so let's turn this off. I'll shut the main door here, and then if I hit the headlights, which is this switch, this is just the override switch down here, you can start to see the glow of all the interior lights. And of course that's the Alexa turning on there, trying to sync with my phone. So that's where we are now. Moving forward, I have a pile of stuff to do on the outside of the car. So right now we just got the parts in for the air cleaner. You can probably see that old Volkswagen gas heater over there and the actual air cleaner itself. We're going to join those two together somehow and make an air cleaner out of it. And I need to make some intercooler ductwork. So that's what we're on to next. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more, subscribe. That'd be very cool. And see you in the next video. Thanks.